Hey guys, Sheon here. Today I am going to make my first Christmas bath bomb box. At least I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna use these new molds that I have and make some Christmas bath bombs. So I've been seeing all of these cute posts of Christmas boxes, bath bomb particularly, and I'm like, I want to make some for myself. I want to make my own. So this video is going to, show you how to make some, Christmas bath bombs, and either they're going to be great or they're going to be a fail. But we're going to try anyway, and hopefully they turn out cute. I won't be doing a lot of talking in this video, just more watching me make them. But if you have any questions, as always, leave a comment. And my channel is growing, so it would be very awesome and sweet of you to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button as well. Thank you for watching, and let's jump into the video. So this is where I decided to experiment. Okay, so I decided to pour some of these candy pearls into my mold and then use this beautiful green to fill the mold with. And I decided that, oh, you know what, that would probably look cute together, this white and this beautiful muted green. So that's what I'm doing here, and I'm filling it, and you will see how it turns out. Now, I should have just left it like that. However, I decided to do a little bit more, and it turned into a super epic fail. So you'll see that. So here I decided to redo the bath bomb, and a bright idea came in my head to glue on the candy. So that's what I'm doing here. I thought that, oh, if I just glue them on top, it'll look cuter. But the more I kept putting, glue and candy on, the more it turned into just a blob. So enjoy watching me make a blob. What does that look like? I don't know. Towel shit on there? For this group, I decided to use candy for the lights, for the little light part. It turned out really cute, but it was really hard to put the candy inside the little mini light bulbs. So if you try this for yourself, just know I sped this up, but it took a long time to get those little candies to go just inside the part that I wanted them to go inside, the little light bulb part. So just giving you a warning. So with the remaining mix, I decided to make some Christmas shower fizzers with it. So that's what you're seeing me do. I'm putting glitter along the edge line and making some really cute shower steamers. They turned out super adorable. By the way, guys, all of these bath bombs plus more are available on my website, smellandbomb.com, and on my Etsy, same name, shop name is Smell in Bomb, and the letter N. So check it out. These Christmas bombs are available, geos are available. If you don't have a bathtub, I do make shower steamers, so that's a great thing for you. Happy shopping. Shop small, shop for my small business, and support other small businesses too. So happy holidays. Thank you. Okay, let's make Christmas firecrackers. So, with this method, you want to use 91% rubbing alcohol. It's what gives the gold mica that shine on top. If you use any other type of, rubbing alcohol that's less than 91%, it's not going to be as shiny. So definitely use 91% rubbing alcohol. And then the mica needs to be a little watery. You want to just paint like a little circle or square on the top of the bath bombs. And then you're going to add more mica with a lot of rubbing alcohol, that 91% alcohol. Get your dropper and make drops, which you'll see me do to give it that splash effect to create a Christmas firecracker bath bomb. So we gotta do this line very, very carefully. Let's see. the winners of today. Some of them, right? Some of the winners. Losers. They are so hideous. So right now, I'm setting up my Santa's Village in the corner of my countertop on my bathroom. As you can see, I put everything over there. And so yeah, this is what I'm working on right now. This is gonna be the background. And then I have like the fluffy stuff up in here. So it's a work in progress, and I will show you guys what I come up with in the finished product. So this is the progress. I got a lot of work to do, but I wanted to show you the madness. And I'm going to, you know, try to make this cute for some photos and videos. When you are your own everything, because you're a small business and you have no employees, this is what you have to go through. I'm my own creative director right now. So this is what we're doing, and my Santa is blinking. It's supposed to be all the way on, but I think, you know, it broke. It's from the dollar store, so what do you expect? But yeah, so time to fill my boxes and my little things that bath bombs will be in, and I'll be selling bath bombs in these cans and boxes and that. So I gotta put it all together and make it cute. So we'll see. All right, so this is what I have so far. I think it's very cute. I put some bath bombs on the tree. I mean, it is what it is at this point. So, winter wonderland, I guess. Well, that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Follow me on Instagram. It's Sheon. You know, please like and subscribe to this video, and happy holidays. We'll see you in the next one.